What's up, y'all? Welcome back to GBossDE. We're going to be checking out a video titled "A Guide to Making Small Talk in Germany." So, yeah, I don't know if I ever visit Germany. I don't know about the talking. Who am I going to talk to? Like, if I visit Germany, where would I even go? Like, it's going to be so scary to be all alone in another country. Anyways, let's learn about small talk in Germany. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Any suggestions, feel free to leave those in the comment section down below or click the link that will be provided in the comment section down below. It's a playlist that you Germans can add whatever German video to that playlist and I'll react to it just for you. Either ways, guys, let's get right into this video.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. How are the kids? They're fine? Oh, great. Yeah, we must catch up sometime. Call me. Small talk. The Germans don't even have their own word for it. A German English dictionary describes it as oberflächliche Konversation, or superficial conversation. Ouch!
Dang.
Germans do get very perplexed when English speakers greet them in the street with a "How's it going?" and then walk on by without actually expecting an answer. But that doesn't mean the Germans don't have their own version of small talk. The key difference...
Yo, I really hope she explains small talk in a sense to me, because I don't understand small talk at this particular moment, because I've heard this about small talk, that about small talk. Like, I've heard reverse, explanations of small talk. Like, some people saying small talk is when, you say, "How are you?" And some are like, when you talk to the person. I don't even know, bro. At this point, I'm just like, screw it, bro.
Is that when Germans engage in chit-chat, they want facts, they want numbers, they want statistics. Say you arrive somewhere by car. Elsewhere, people might casually ask how the journey was and not really care about the answer. But a German won't let you get away that easily. They'll ask how long the drive took and how many roadworks you came across. They'll ask you which route you took and expect you to answer with accurate road names and even motorway exits.
So what is small talk then? So if the Germans don't do small talk, are you saying, this is where I get confused. Like, if the Germans don't do small talk, what talk do they do? Do they just want a normal conversation? Do they hate when people just say, "Hey, how are you? Good, bye," type stuff? Or is it that they generally just don't want to be... I'm just confused, bro.
If your journey was long enough, they might even whip out one of their favourite questions. How much did it cost to fill up your tank? It's just a thing here. When Germans return from holiday, they'll be eager to tell you about three things: the beaches, the food, and the gas prices. You should always do some basic research before entering a social situation in Germany. Be prepared to talk about news and politics, but you should also have some numbers up your sleeve, like how many inhabitants does your hometown have? Oh, and if you get onto the topic of where you live, your German conversation partner will want measurements, as in how big is your apartment, in square meters. For bonus points, be ready with the average price per square meter of living space in your area of the city. They'll lap that up. Okay,
Wow.
Let's see how good the Germans are at German small talk.
1,33 der Diesel, 1,52 super.
Im Moment so 1,40.
Es schwankt gerade ein bisschen. Circa 1,50 der Liter super. 60 Quadratmeter.
Die Wohnung
73,6 Quadratmeter.
sind so 1,5 Zimmer mit einem Balkon,
160 Quadratmeter.
circa 200 Quadratmeter, etwas über 70 Quadratmeter.
So is it a situations where the Germans love to conversate? Because that's like, in my opinion, right? I don't have a problem with small talk, first of all. But is it that for you guys, you think that small talk is simply just a rushed conversation? Is it that way for you guys? Right? Is that it? You don't like the "how are you, goodbye" type vibe? Is that it?
Meter.
1 Million.
Knapp über eine halbe Million.
12.000.
342.000.
Dang.
Das kleines Dörfchen, das hat mit uns zusammen 720 Einwohner.
There's another very important topic that you have to master in order to small talk in Germany. As a Brit, I thought I had this topic down, but it turns out the Germans can give us a run for our money.
Weather.
I'm talking about
Weather.
the weather.
Yeah, weather.
Specifically complaining about the weather. It's too hot. Too cold. Too wet. Too snowy. It's too weathery. The word for susceptibility to the weather is Wetterfühligkeit. And the Germans will blame the changing weather for all sorts of ailments. And a final tip for German small talk. Practice your draft chat. In whatever context, be it a party or in the office, Germans absolutely love to talk about drafts and the various stages of airing a room. A classic scene. One German walks into the room and says, "Boah, hier ist es stickig," or "it's sticky in here." They decide it's time to kurz luften, or give the room an airing. Then someone else will invariably walk in and say, "Oh, es zieht." That means there's a draft. They'll wrap a scarf pointedly round their neck, grumble about getting ill, and close the window. German windows even have a special airing position. The hinge technology must be really strong to cope with the constant opening and closing. So you see, German small talk is easy really. Drop the niceties, know your numbers, and have a strong opinion on air circulation. See you next time. Auf Wiedersehen.
No, cut it, cut it, cut it! Get it out of here! Golly, what was that? Nah, bro, German small talk be hitting different. So, at the end of the day, I'm still confused, and I appreciate this video a lot, and I'd appreciate some comments explaining this video. Thank you. Peace.